As we start to get older, we come to understand that our health is our primary asset. Moreover, the responsibility of maintaining an optimal level of good health and physical fitness lies fairly and squarely with us. It is paramount, therefore, that we take proactive measures to put our health first and take care of ourselves. With age comes nasty niggles, deep aches and persistent pains. They pop up, often overnight, out of nowhere and for no reason. And yes, even the fittest among us still carry a few war wounds from our younger days that are now re-emerging at an alarming rate. Are joint issues bothering you? Is blood circulation a concern for you? And are you less and less mobile with each passing day? Or do you just feel that you're not living your best life?
Then the answer may be Niagara's unique Cycloid Vibration Therapy.
To put you in the picture, Niagara is a proud family-owned Australian company manufacturing highly specialised therapy equipment
That is entered in the Australian Register of Therapeutic Goods as Class IIa Medical Devices.
Now, for a little bit of context and history, the process called cycloid vibration is at the heart of the success of the Niagara massage machines.
The patent to this process was bought way back in 1949 in the USA by philanthropist and biomedical engineer Owen K. Murphy.
Fast forward to today. After extensive medical studies and published research papers, Niagara CVT equipment comes to you today in a range of styles and formats, tailored to best suit your particular lifestyle. You might want a handheld
Device or a thermocyclopad. You may end up choosing the luxurious and comfy Apollo recliner with integrated cycloid vibration therapy system. Or the Platinum range of Adjustomatic sleep systems may be exactly the sleep solution that you have been searching for. Whatever the Niagara product that you select, you are looking to actively take steps to make your future quality of life a priority.
And you deserve it. Cycloid vibration therapy aids in moving the blood around the body, and as we all know, healthy blood circulation is one of the key factors to a lively, proactive and productive life. No secrets there.
Improved circulation may also help us heal quicker, move better, and reduce the amount of joint pain impacting our lives.
Whichever exceptional product you choose from us, you can rest assured that there have been clinical studies and rigorous testing to support Niagara's therapeutic claims. These studies have shown that CVT may assist with
Increase local area blood flow, assist in the reduction of musculoskeletal pain, increase joint mobilization, reduce excess edema, swelling, whether the cause is vascular or lymphatic, assist in the treatment of wounds and pressure ulcers, where an improvement in local blood circulation is a factor, assist in the treatment of cellulitis, where an improvement in local blood circulation is a factor. You may be suffering from joint stiffness and soreness, reduced mobility, blood circulation issues, pressure ulcers or treating wounds. Perhaps you may have lymphedema or fluid retention. All these conditions may be benefited by the way that CVT improves the flow and circulation of blood around the body. Essential to what we do every day, the body needs oxygen and nutrients to be transferred efficiently to our cells via unimpeded blood flow, and that same circulation needs to take away
carbon dioxide and nasty toxins. Healthy flow, healthy feeling.
With all this in mind, it's time to look at the impressive range of Niagara Therapy products that are available to you for use in your own home.
For targeted therapy, you can use the CVT handheld unit,
which allows you to have a deep tissue massage in specific areas. The hand unit comes with rubber caps, allowing you to use it on your scalp. And it is easily maneuverable around joints like knees and elbows.
Another impressive Niagara device you might consider is the thermocyclopad.
This is a highly portable device that incorporates 3 different therapy modes: and it also has a heat function. The Cyclopad is perfectly suited for use in bed or on the couch and is great for travel. Both the CVT hand unit and Thermo Cyclopad are available as 12-volt or as truly portable devices that feature an advanced lithium-ion battery system that allows for reliable and long battery life for multiple therapy sessions.
For full body therapy, Niagara offers a range of custom-designed recliners and adjustomatic sleep systems. Handcrafted and hand-built in our Brisbane factory,
The Niagara Apollo Cloud and Apollo Platinum recliner systems combine traditional fine furniture craftsmanship and cutting-edge technical design to deliver full-body, state-of-the-art cycloid vibration therapy. The Niagara Apollo Cloud and Apollo Platinum series has a modern zero-gravity reclining system that cradles your back and elevates your legs above your heart. It is specifically designed to disperse body weight evenly across the entire chair to maximise comfort and minimise aches and pains. You really have to feel it to believe it. Both the Cloud and Platinum systems feature Niagara's unique CVT motors, located snugly in the back, seat and leg areas. The Niagara Apollo Cloud can also feature Rollersage, which provides a soothing massage experience for your back. Another terrific option to maintain your independence now and well into the future is the electric lift function. With the press of a button, the Apollo recliners effortlessly lifts you up and out of the chair for an easy and safe exit. The elegant and handsome design and the easy-to-use remote control allows you to program your CVT session for when it suits you best.
the custom recliners come in a range of luxurious and tasteful fabrics, including leather, to complement your home decor. All Niagara recliners are artisan-made and hand-stitched to ensure a quality and enviable addition to your home.
Watching television or reading a good book never felt so good.
Research has shown that a good night's sleep is vital for a healthy lifestyle and general well-being.
There is a host of benefits just from a decent amount of quality restful sleep.
Now, take a minute to imagine combining this with the benefits of a full-body cycloid vibration therapy with the Niagara adjustable sleep system.
The Platinum 6 series features a wireless touch control, fully adjustable therapeutic sleep system. Our adjustable sleep system allows you to raise the back and legs independently to suit your body's needs, while also allowing you to focus on comfort and relaxation. Expertly combined with Niagara's Cycloid Vibration Therapy, motors positioned throughout the bed provide an all-over delivery system for a complete Niagara Therapy experience. Consider the superior specifications. A purpose-designed, Australian-made mattress for Niagara's Platinum 6 CVT adjustable sleep system is combined together with a bed base that exemplifies our own exacting manufacturing standards. With micro-adjustment controls, the position that is perfect for your body can be found at a push of a button. 2 memory positions, 3 therapy massage settings, and a digital timer takes away the guesswork, all combining to make the Niagara Platinum 6 easy to use. What a treat for the senses! With sumptuous comfort and the convenient ability to set a perfectly contoured therapy session or sleep position, the Platinum 6 range may assist you with relief from joint pain and, importantly, provide you with that level of deep and satisfying sleep that we all crave. You can choose from all the standard and expected sizes: single, king single, double, queen or king. To maximise independence, we also have our split range, a dual king and a superior king. Every size has our patented bed design and technology systems that are unique to Niagara. All Niagara CVT devices have 3 different therapy settings: the standard, the cyclopolymodulation, and Tranquilsage.
As you would expect, Niagara is a proud Australian company. Our manufacturing facility in Brisbane is home to craftspeople who take great pride in producing products that not only look great, but that also help people to maintain the level of health that they need.
Niagara also has a long history in supporting a number of charitable organisations who work tirelessly in helping people in need. One such organisation is the Ronald McDonald House Charities, who do some incredible work in supporting families of sick and injured children.
Ultimately, Niagara is committed to providing exactly the right product that will suit you, your needs, your tastes and your budget. A Niagara consultant can work with you to help tailor the perfect CVT system to best suit your needs. Niagara, because your quality of life is important to us.